Hello my dear friends, welcome to BYJU'S exam prep. In this video, we'll be talking about the final tips for the BARC exam and what are the pros and what are the do's and don'ts before the examination hall. All these points will be discussed. And why this is an important video, because students do have a fear of exam, do have some points that always come to the mind that you are not able to answer to that particular problem, the common problems. So let us talk about these individual points and let us try to have a better understanding. First and the foremost point that I want to share with you is please stay calm at this moment, because in the next few days this BARC exam will be scheduled and we'll be having that very common point of fear of examination, right? And that's generally a very common thing. If you are having if you are a serious aspirant, if you are genuinely preparing for any exam, then fear of exam is a common point that any serious aspirant will be having. So please stay calm at this moment. There will be some topics you are not able to recall. Don't worry, if you have studied hard for the last 6 months, 8 months, or whatever, last 1 year, if you are preparing for the different examination, definitely you're gonna get a very good result. But only thing I have to say is stay calm and be positive. Do not have any negative things to your mind that what will happen if I'm not able to qualify. That is a secondary thing. We'll be discussing this in the later on stages. But first of all, you need to focus. I need to give my 100% to this examination. So for that, you have to stay calm. Try to meditate like 20 minutes or half an hour every day, more than sufficient, and get back to your revision cycle, right? And try to uh, practice some question. So some points that I want to share with you is, now there is no time to revise from the full length notes. Try to revise from the short notes, because that will be a very effective one. Now some students will be having a doubt, sir, I have not prepared a short notes. Then what you can do is you can have a quick go through to the full 10 notes, but only if you have studied that subject. Do not take a new topic or do not take a new subject, because if you are taking a new topic, a new subject, then the confidence will be slightly lowered. So my personal recommendation is try to revise from the short notes from what you are prepared, or try to have a quick go through to the full length notes if you have studied that topic, right? Second is try to attempt the full length mock test before the day of examination, like today 16. So will be exam will be scheduled from 18th onwards. So today and tomorrow, like 16 and 17, you can have a full length mock test to have a analysis what is the preparation level, right? And do not go for too many full length mock tests or for too many full length tests. You can confine to 2 or 3 maximum, or 4, not more than that. This is because whatever practice need to be done, you have already did for the last few months for the BARC exam perspective, and the level of questions will be almost similar to that of GATE. Some question might be more than that of GATE, but majority of the level is similar to that of the GATE examination. So if you are preparing for the GATE examination, automatically you are preparing for the BARC, right? And you might have seen the almost the syllabus is almost similar, except the aptitude. We are having the technical portion almost the same as that of the GATE syllabus. So if you are not having any full length mock test, try to attempt the GATE full length mock test if it is available. It is available in our app also, you can go for that, right? But personal recommendation, do not go for more than 4 number of full length mock tests. Once you are done with the test, try to see what is your score, not to see the score, see what is the final score you're having. Definitely you have to see that number, but the important point is where is the points or which topics you are lacking behind. Let us suppose you are attempting a full length mock test and you are having you're not having a good score in the mechanics portion. So you can have a quick go through, because already you have seen study the subject, and inside that subject also you can identify those topics where you are lacking behind. So you can have a quick go through and you can re-attempt the test, right? So please make sure whenever you're attempting the full mock test, you have to analyze the test, and once you analyze the test, you will be able to understand which topics you need to have a re-revision or a quick revision need to be done, because some topics will be very much clear that revision is not required, but some topics where some set of revision will be required. And try to attempt the test in the same slot as that of the examination day. You might be having the admit card with you, so definitely you'll be knowing what time the exam will be scheduled. So try to attempt the mock test in the same schedule as that of the main examination day, so that your body is able to adapt to the same body clock, same schedule, right? And that will be definitely you'll be able to perform more appropriately, more your efficiency will be increased by attempting the same slot. Now if I want to discuss what are the different points that you should be avoiding or you should not be following. Do not research any topic, because if you are at this moment you're taking up any topic and you are investing, let's suppose, a complete day to that topic, and at the day of examination from the question is not being asked from that particular topic, so that entire day that you invested will not be justified. Okay, so I would recommend you do not research the topic in detail. Let us suppose you are not able to understand, invest half an hour, 40 minutes, still not able to complete, no problem, you leave it, go for the next topic. Okay, because if you are investing too much time to a topic at this moment, not advisable. Try to have a quick revision of the entire syllabus, right? And try to have a mock test attempt, at least 2 3 today and 2 3 tomorrow, sufficient. Four, maximum four, more than sufficient to attempt the mock test. And try to have a quick revision, and avoid using the full length revision from the full notes. If you're not having the short notes there, then there is no option of revision of from the we can say, then definitely you have to go for the full notes revision. But if possible, try to revise from your short notes what you have prepared during the preparation stages. Many students won't be able to create the short notes, no problem, you can have a quick go through. Do not have a detailed revision from the full length notes, because if you're doing that, you are basically investing at least 3 hours minimum to individual subject, and you won't be able to have a complete revision of the entire syllabus. And do not get overexcited, because students have that perception that when you are attempting the mock test, very good result. Yes, it's very good thing, but do not get too excited. Too overconfident is definitely won't be able to get good result. Try to be normal, stay calm, and if you're not getting good results, don't worry. Might be possible that on the day of examination you'll be able to perform much better. But the thing is, you have to see which topics you're lacking behind. Try to re-revise if possible, right? And the final thing is try to eat healthy, because you should not be taking any chance to have any health related issues. uh, Half an hour meditation and rest. You have to follow a simple technique, that you have to eat, you have to uh, study, right? Then we have to rest, then again you have to study, then you have to sleep, then you have to eat. So this cycle should be repeated like this. Okay, so study, then you have to take rest, then you have to study, then you have to take a long rest, then you have to eat, then again you have to repeat this cycle. So this way you'll be able to perform better before the examination, right? So this is it from my side, and the last thing that I would recommend you is try to stick to your plan. Whatever plan you have created, try to stick with that, because definitely that is the best plan. The plan that you are making for yourself, that is much more effective rather than following a plan which any other person has created for you. Okay, so that is the final tip from my side, and all the best for the examination. And do not get worried, and try to give your best, and try to utilize whatever mistakes you have committed in the mock test. Try to improve that, and definitely you'll be able to excel in the examination. That's it from my side. I hope you all got that insight of the tip of the BARC exam. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay connected with BYJU'S exam. Thank you guys. Bye bye.